Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back to the Octo English Academy podcast, the show where we take real English, the kind people actually speak out loud in real life, and we make it feel easy, warm, and completely yours. I'm Sophie, and I am so glad you pressed play today.
Hello, everyone. I'm Jamie. And Sophie, I'm going to say something right now that might surprise some of our listeners.
Oh yes, go on.
What we're teaching today, your English teacher might not have taught you this. Some teachers actually tell students not to use these words, and we are here to gently, respectfully, lovingly disagree.
So lovingly, because today we are talking about three of the most important words in real spoken English, words you hear every single day, in movies, in songs, in conversations between native speakers, words that if you don't understand them, make English feel like a locked door. And those three words are gonna, wanna, and gotta.
Three tiny words, huge energy. And honestly, once you understand these three, you are going to feel like someone just handed you the key to real English.
Before we go any further, if this podcast is part of your English journey, please like it, subscribe, and share it with someone you know who is learning. You sharing this episode might be the moment that changes things for someone else. That matters. You matter.
And this episode, I want you to know, came from so many of you. We have had messages from listeners saying things like, I watch American TV shows, but I can't understand what people are saying because they speak so fast. Or, I know grammar, but real conversations feel like a different language. Yes, we hear you. This one is for you.
So let's check in first. How are you feeling right now? Honestly, don't think about it too much, just feel it. Are you tired? Are you excited? Are you a little nervous? Whatever it is, that is okay. Say it out loud. I'm feeling... Go on.
I'll go. I'm feeling really energized today. Like I want to jump into this topic immediately because I love it so much.
And I'm feeling cozy. I've got my tea, it's quiet, and I just want to sit here and talk to you for a while, which, lucky for both of us, is exactly what we're gonna do.
Perfect. Okay, no grammar stress, real life, please. Let's go.
All right, let's start with the truth about gonna, wanna, and gotta. Because here's something very important. These are not slang. They're not lazy English. They are not mistakes. They are simply the natural way that English sounds when people speak at a normal, relaxed pace.
When you speak quickly and naturally, certain sounds blend together. Going to becomes gonna, want to becomes wanna, got to becomes gotta. It happens automatically. You don't decide to do it, it just happens.
Think about it like this. When you're tired and you walk across the room, do you lift each foot perfectly and place it down carefully? No, you shuffle a little. You take the easiest path. Spoken English does the same thing. It takes the easiest, most natural path. And these three words are that path.
And here is the important thing. Native speakers use these forms constantly, in conversation, in movies, in music, in podcasts, even in professional settings sometimes. If you are only learning the textbook version, you are learning half of English.
So today, we're teaching you the other half, the real half, the living half.
Let's take them one by one, nice and easy.
First, gonna. Gonna comes from going to, and going to is used when you're talking about something in the future, a plan, something that is coming, something that is about to happen.
So instead of saying, I am going to eat dinner soon, in real life, at a normal speed, a native speaker says, I'm gonna eat dinner soon. Same meaning, just more human.
Here are your three real-life examples. Write them down if you want, or just listen and feel them. 1. Daily life. I'm gonna make coffee. Do you want some? That's a kitchen conversation. Morning, comfortable, totally natural. 2. Plans and emotions. I'm gonna call my mom tonight. I haven't spoken to her in a while, and I miss her. Feel that? That's real. That's human. 3. Work or commitment. We're gonna figure this out together. Don't worry. a manager, a friend, a partner, anyone who wants to reassure you.
And here is a beautiful thing about gonna. It makes future plans feel warmer, more immediate, more real. I am going to help you sounds like a formal promise. I'm gonna help you sounds like a friend reaching out their hand.
Now, one important note. Gonna replaces going to when it means future plans. But if you're literally talking about moving somewhere, going to a place, you still say going to. For example, I'm going to the shops, not I'm gonna the shops. No, that sounds strange.
The test is simple. Can you replace it with will? I will eat dinner soon. Yes, so gonna works. I will the shops? No, so keep going to.
Perfect. Easy rule. No grammar stress.
Next, wanna. Wanna comes from want to. It's about desire, wishes, things you feel pulled toward, things that excite you, or things you need.
And wanna is everywhere. It is in every conversation. It is in every song. The moment you understand wanna, music opens up completely differently. You start hearing the lyrics differently.
3 real-life examples. 1. Daily life. I want to try that new restaurant on the corner. Have you been there? Casual, easy, a Friday evening conversation. 2. Emotion and relationships. I just want to feel understood, you know? I don't need advice. I just want to be heard. That is so real. That is a feeling so many people have, and wanna makes it feel honest.
I love that third one because wanna, in that context, it's not weak. It's not casual in a dismissive way. It's honest. It's driven. I wanna get better is one of the most powerful sentences you can say.
And here's something interesting about wanna. You can also use it in questions. Do you want to come with us? Want to grab coffee? The second one, no do you even, just want to grab coffee, that's a very natural, friendly invitation. If someone says that to you, they like you, they want you around.
Yes, wanna grab coffee is basically English for I enjoy your company.
Exactly. Communication first, grammar later.
And now, gotta. Oh, gotta. This one is special. Gotta comes from got to, which means have to, something necessary, something you must do, an obligation, a responsibility, or sometimes something urgent.
I've got to go. I got to finish this before midnight. You've got to try this cake. 3 completely different feelings, but all using gotta.
Let's break those feelings down. 3 real-life examples. 1. Urgency in daily life. I've got to leave in 5 minutes or I'm gonna miss the bus. 2 of our words in one sentence. That's real spoken English. 2. Strong recommendation, emotion. You've got to see this movie. I'm not joking. It changed something in me. When you say you've got to someone, you're not giving them a command. You're sharing something you feel deeply. It's almost a gift.
3. Personal responsibility. I know it's hard, but I've got to do this. Nobody else is going to do it for me. That is someone taking ownership of their life. Strong, clear, honest. And gotta carries that weight perfectly.
Now, there's a version of gotta that's even stripped back. Just gotta. No I've. Just gotta run, talk later. In a text message, at the end of a quick call. Fast, friendly, real.
When Jamie texts me, gotta run, I know. 5 seconds later, he's gone.
Every time. But you understand it immediately. That's the point. These words communicate instantly, clearly, naturally.
Okay, let's stop here for a moment because we're in the middle of a lot of new information and I want to check in with you. How are you doing? Seriously.
Sometimes when we're learning something new, there's a small voice that says, this feels like too much. I'll never sound natural. Native speakers learned this as children, and I didn't.
I want to speak to that voice because I had that voice. I remember the first time I watched a film in English and I thought, they are speaking a completely different language from what I learned in school. And I felt lost and I felt behind.
But here's what I know now. You are not behind. You are exactly where you're supposed to be. Every single word you learn from this point, every gonna, every wanna, every gotta, is a new piece of the real world clicking into place for you.
Making a mistake is not a crime. Silence is more dangerous than a wrong sentence. And you are here. You are listening. You are already doing great.
Relax. Breathe. We've got you.
All right, let's practice. Real life, please. I'm going to describe a situation and you say the sentence out loud. Don't wait. Don't think for too long. Just speak.
Just keep speaking. That's the whole game.
Situation 1. You're on the phone with a friend. They ask what you're doing this weekend. You say, I'm gonna. Finish the sentence. Whatever you want to do this weekend. Say it out loud right now.
Maybe I'm gonna stay home and do nothing. Completely valid. Deeply relatable.
Or, I'm gonna visit my family. Or, I'm gonna try cooking something new. Any of them. Just say it.
Situation 2. Someone offers you something you really want. Maybe food, maybe an invitation, maybe an opportunity. You respond, I wanna... Say it. I wanna try that. I wanna come. I wanna learn more. Go.
Situation 3. You're busy. You're in the middle of something important and someone wants your attention and you just don't have time. You say, I've gotta... Finish it. I've gotta finish this first. I've gotta make a call. I've gotta focus right now.
Beautiful. And now say this sentence with us. All 3 words together. Your confidence sentence for today. I'm gonna keep going because I wanna get better and I've gotta believe in myself.
Say that again, slowly if you need to. I'm gonna keep going because I want to get better and I've gotta believe in myself.
Seriously, say it. Out loud. It sounds amazing when you do.
Okay, mistake time. This is the section where we get real. I hear these a lot, and we fix them gently.
No judgment, just love and clarity.
Mistake number 1, using gonna in writing when it's formal. This is an important one. Gonna, wanna, and gotta are for speaking. They're for casual texting. They are not for formal emails, essays, cover letters, or anything professional and written.
If you write to a professor or a manager and say, I'm going to submit the report tomorrow, that will feel unprofessional. In writing, go back to the full forms. I am going to, I want to, I have to. Save the short forms for your voice, for your real conversations.
Think of it this way. Gonna, wanna, gotta are your comfortable home clothes. You wear them when you're relaxed, with people you know in real life. But when you go somewhere formal, you change. You wear the full outfit. Same person, different setting.
I love that analogy. Home clothes versus going out clothes. Perfect.
Mistake number 2. And this one is so common. Saying I wanna when you mean I want, without the to. For example, someone says, what do you want? And the learner answers, I want a pizza. No, wanna is I want to. You can't use it without a verb following it. You say, I want a pizza. Or, if a verb follows, I wanna eat pizza. See the difference?
Wanna needs a verb to hold on to. I wanna go. I wanna try. I wanna know. But I want a pizza, the pizza is a noun, not a verb, so we go back to want. Just want.
Think of wanna like it needs a dance partner. It dances with verbs. Without a verb, it sits down.
Done. Wanna needs a verb to dance with. Done. Remember that forever.
Mistake number 3. Overpronouncing these words in an attempt to be correct. Sometimes learners hear gonna and they think, oh, that must be a mistake. The correct word is going to. I should say going to sound educated. And then in conversation, they say every word perfectly and slowly. And while it's completely understandable, it creates a small distance from natural English.
You don't need to overpronounce to sound good. You don't need to sound like a textbook to sound intelligent. Confidence is more important than perfection, and sounding natural is a form of correctness in spoken English.
Exactly. Not perfect, but confident. That's what we want for you.
All right, one final story. 3 sentences. Same character, gonna, wanna, gotta. Listen. She looked at her English notebook, pages full of words she'd written down but never said out loud. And she thought, I'm gonna change that today. She took a breath, walked into the room where her colleagues were talking, and she joined the conversation because she knew, I wanna be part of this, not just watching from the outside. And when someone asked her later how it felt, she smiled and said, "It was hard, but I've got to be honest, I'm really glad I did it."
I'm gonna, I wanna, I've gotta. 3 moments, 1 journey. That could be your story.
And you know what? It already is. You're already in that story right now, listening, learning, showing up.
Okay, wonderful people, let's bring today together. We talked about 3 of the most real, most natural, most used forms in spoken English. Gonna, wanna, gotta.
Here are your 3 takeaways. 1. Gonna is going to for future plans. Use it in speech, in casual texts, in real conversations. It makes your English sound alive.
2. Wanna is want to for desires and wishes, but it needs a verb after it. I wanna go. I wanna try. Dance partner. Always.
3. Gotta is got to or have to for obligations and urgency. I've gotta go. You've gotta try this. Strong, immediate, human.
And remember, these are speaking words. In formal writing, dress them back up. Going to, want to, have to. Same feelings, different outfit.
Your confidence sentence one more time. Say it, please. I'm gonna keep going because I want to get better and I've gotta believe in myself.
Yes. Yes, 1,000 times yes.
If today's episode helped you, please like, subscribe, share. Leave us a comment. Tell us which word was your favorite today. Tell us what episode you want next. This podcast grows because of you, because of the community you are building by just showing up and listening.
And if you know someone who watches English shows and movies but feels like they can't understand the real conversations, send them this episode. That person exists in your life. You already know who I'm talking about.
English is not a test, it's a tool. And today, you picked up 3 very powerful tools.
Just keep speaking. Even alone, even quietly, even just to yourself in the mirror. Say, I'm gonna, I wanna, I've gotta. Let those words become part of you.
From me, Jamie,
And from me, Sophie,
thank you for being here. We mean that.
take care of yourself, be patient with yourself, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.